So this is a Qi Gong meditation called Wu Ji, and it's basically about posture and breathing. So we're going to start from the ground up. The feet should be about shoulder width apart, and knees slightly bent, slightly bow-legged. So it's a very stable position. So if you were riding on the subway, you'd be able to keep your balance without holding on to anything. The pelvis should be slightly tucked under, as if you have a 10-pound weight tied to your tailbone, pulling it down. And on the other end, just behind the top of your head, imagine another string attached, pulling up so that your spine is lengthened. Not straining anything, just very, very comfortably lengthened. And then the arms should be completely relaxed and held slightly away from your body from under here, as if you had a couple of ping pong balls under your arms, or at least were ready to receive a couple of ping pong balls under your arms. And the arms should be very relaxed. It's good if you can get a friend to come and just wiggle your arm to make sure that it's genuinely relaxed. And the most important thing, the breathing. You want to completely relax all of your abdominal muscles. All those Buddha statues where the Buddha is shown with a big fat belly, it's not because he's so fat, it's because he has his abdominal muscles so relaxed that his whole belly just bulges outward from the weight of the internal organs. So, and when you do that, it takes the pressure off of your diaphragm so that you can breathe from your diaphragm. And the idea is to breathe first from your diaphragm, and then once you've breathed in that way as much as you can breathe a little more using your rib cage if you want to. And for me, when I do this, my relaxed position as far as my breath goes is kind of in the middle. So if I take a deep breath in and just relax, then I find that I still have air in my lungs and can still talk. And likewise, if I breathe all the way out, when I relax, I come back to that middle position. And the breathing should be very comfortable and relaxed. And as you do this meditation, it can get a little bit slower and deeper, but always relaxed. So you're not breathing out. You're basically going from 10% of your lung capacity up to about 90% of your lung capacity. So you never get into the area where you're really straining to breathe all the way out or all the way in, just comfortably. And as you do this, you'll find that you can make that a little bit deeper and stay comfortable. The final thing is to complete the circuit in your body with your tongue. The idea is that the qi flows up your back and down your front, and when it's flowing down your front, you want your lips closed, so it flows down the front of your face. And you also need to keep your tongue, touch the tip of your tongue to the place where your teeth and your gums meet, so that the circuit is also closed on the inside and the qi can flow down on the inside. And it's good to start this, doing it for about 3 minutes, and you can gradually work up your way to about 20 minutes a day. That seems to be good for most people. And so we begin just by breathing.